Be brave. Remember that bravery is not the lack of fear, but the ability to move forward in spite of fear. Children, today I'm going to start a new lesson from your English literature book, and the name of the lesson is Param Veer Chakra, and that is your lesson number 3. And that is why today I started my video with a quote to be brave. Children, you all are well aware about the soldiers who fight for us, because there is some or the other member of your own family who are there fighting for us on the border. Since you all are the kids of Army Public School and your father or some of your relatives are already there in army, you can understand the things, the situations which a soldier bears. This Param Veer Chakra is a bravery award, the highest, India's highest bravery award to be given to a soldier. It was established on 26th January 1950. As by the name itself, you can make out that what exactly it is. Param Veer Chakra. Chakra means something which is round. Veer is someone who is very brave, and Param, that is prime importance. So this is the very highest, Indian highest bravery award to be given to the soldiers who displayed their courage, their braveness, and the selfless service which they did and fought with the enemy to protect us. So this started in 1950, 26 January 1950, and 21 heroes have been already awarded with this medal. The very first Param Veer Chakra was awarded to Major Somnath Sharma. He was martyred on 3rd November 1947 in Srinagar during the Indo-Pak War, and for his bravery and the sacrifice he was posthumously means someone who is awarded after his death. He was awarded the first Param Veer Chakra on 26th January 1950, and a very famous saying by him which he said is, "The enemy is only 50 yards from us. We are heavily outnumbered. We are under devastating fire. I shall not withdraw an inch, but will fight to our last man and our last round." He said that he is not very much far, but yes, they were less in number. But then also he had that feeling that he would fight for the country even if he is not going to stay alive. And yes, he sacrificed his life. He fought bravely in the Indo-Pak War and won the first Param Veer Chakra. He was the company commander of Kumaon Regiment of Indian Army. He was born on 31st January 1923. His father was also a military officer. So he set an example for the soldiers too, and that spirit of patriotism, which a soldier can feel. So he put an example, and then 21 others, means along with him 21 members on total won the Param Veer Chakra, and that list is there mentioned in your book also. Children, you can see how the soldiers feel proud when they hoist the national flag, the tricolor flag, to the place where they reach, and they won. And when they won the war which they are fighting, especially the Kargil war, which was fought in 1999. So we'll be coming to this also. Before that, I would just like to show you the pages of your lesson also, where the Paramveer Chakra lesson is described and you are told about the importance of the Paramveer Chakra. And here is the list of all the recipients, means the people who have already won this prize, and the date of action is also there, that on which date they had done that great work for which they have been awarded. So here are the list of all the 21 recipients who have won this award. And now we'll be discussing about Captain Vikram Batra, who is the last to win this. Till now he is the last to win this, and he has won this because of his heroic death in the Kargil war. And it was on 20th June 1999. He led his team to attack a point number 5140, and he was motivated, and he also motivated the other people to take that position, and he attacked the enemy and killed 4 of them. And in another operation, which was of area point 4875, he fought bravely and killed 5 enemies there. And now in this fight he got injuries, and slowly he crawled towards the enemy and threw grenades and destroyed that enemy point, and had the capture over that point. After defeating the enemies, he captured that point, but unfortunately he was very much wounded, and that is why he breathed his last. That means he took last breath there and sacrificed his life for us, for our protection. And he got this award again posthumously, that means after his death, and his father received that award. And this Paramveer Chakra symbolizes the sacrifices made by the soldiers of the Indian Armed Forces to safeguard our country. Children, before I wind up this lesson, you all can closely correlate these situations with your family, since you see your father, you see your uncle working there, working for our country, selflessly working and protecting us from the enemies 24/7. And yes, we can never even imagine people are there in extreme cold conditions, and they are surviving there, and we are feeling cold in this a little bit change. If there is a little bit change in temperature and we are feeling very cold, there they are in minus temperatures, and they are protecting us. So we should definitely salute our soldiers, and we should never forget the sacrifices they have made for us. With this, I would like to end this lesson today. And children, I hope you all also have the feeling of patriotism in your heart, and one day you all will do something or the other good to the nation. So with this, I'll ask your leave, children. Thank you and have a good day.